Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, Friday. Anyhow, good morning. It's Tita, by the way. I was gonna go live, pero lalabas daw kami, kaya I don't have so much time. So, I just wanted to share this one with you guys, fresh from the mailbox. My husband just hand me my T4A. So, doon sa mga nag-aalinlangan na nagsasabi na if our business is legitimate or not, it's 1,000% legitimate. So, fresh from the mailbox ang aking T4A. This is 2024. Nakita ko from my online business. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. I just need to cover few of the important information here. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. It's from Canadian government. That is my T4A. So, ito yung kita ko from my online business from last year. So, yes, we are 1,000% legitimate. Kaya nakakapag-write off po kami sa business namin. Yung ibang trips namin, if it's business trip, nara-write off po namin yun. Of course, ang aming internet, ang aming phone bills, yung ibang gas bills namin. Yes, marami po kaming nara-write off sa aming business because we are 1,000% legitimate po. So, I'm just so excited. So, anyhow, happy Friday!